Where the water at, wherever the water at, that's where I'ma be.
I am on a 24-hour champagne diet, spilling while I'm sipping. I encourage you to try it. I'm probably just saying that cause I don't have to buy it. The club owner supply it. Boy, I'm on that fly shit. I am with everybody in my past. Don't want me to be, guess what? I made it. I'm the motherfucking man. I just want you to see, come take a look. Get a load of this nigga. Quit frontin' on me, don't come around and try and gas me up. I like running on E. I'm on my Disney shit, goofy flow. On records, I'm Captain Hook, and my new car is Rufio. Damn, where my roof just go? I'm somebody that you should know. Get to shaking something, cause that's what drummer produced it for. Yes, I make mistakes that I don't ever make excuses for. Like leaving girls that love me and constantly seducing hoes. I'm losing my thoughts. I said, damn, where my roof just go? Top slipped off like Janet at the Super Bowl. I got
overtime and overdue. Ain't no sleep, that is old news. Been outside, that's with the crew. Make my night up on the move. In the morning, get the news. She come home, I heard the Zoom. I step outside, I need my peace. Take one down and hit my peak. I overuse myself, I feel I overdid myself, I feel I overuse my nights, I overdid my nights, yeah. Hit the lights and hit the right. Took everything, ain't nothing left. Count your blessings, count your steps. At your throat like we that strap. It's way too cold under this flesh. Oh, we ball, but we don't mesh. All we be drinking, leave us a mess. Down all my jewelry, this old news. I'm with a hero, been with Nudie. Them the ones you see, man, when they all leave. The block on tiptoe, been with Chevy. They already know it's not too many. About the click though, this shit been busy. Chasing up the paper, come and get me. Like I'm sick though, sipping plenty. We been outside, going in.
Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, I'm Jaelyn Dae. Welcome to my channel. Okay, put my seatbelt on. Y'all, so I'm gonna make this fast because I gotta find my tripod. I don't know where it's at. Anyways, yesterday was Monday. I got my hair done, as y'all can see. Okay. I kind of messed up the baby hairs, but I fixed them a little bit this morning. But yes, come through. Stop playing with my friend. Anyways, yeah, yesterday I got my hair done. Y'all seen the title what this video is about. It's a maintenance vlog because I'm going out of town tomorrow, y'all. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so today I have to get everything done. Let me tell y'all something. I don't have anything packed. I don't even have a suitcase because I forgot that my suitcase had broke the last trip that I went on, and I just ended up throwing it away because it was just getting to a point where I couldn't use it no more. We just got a lot to do, y'all. Yesterday I wasn't able to get everything done because I ended up going back to my old college, and I went to a pop-up shop with my boyfriend. So that's what we was doing all night, and we didn't get back till late. And y'all, we seen a car flip over. There were whole 2 flips, and the people was okay. Like, we even went back to help to see if we needed to get any people out of the car because the car was like upside down, smashed, all of that. And so when we went back, 3 guys came out the car. Y'all, I don't even know how they got out the car. Look, I'm gonna put the car on the screen. I don't know how they got out of the car. I'm glad they got out of the car, but I don't know how. But once we started talking, like, we was about to call 911, we was gonna get some help, they started running. And one guy was like really hurt, like he was like something, like he was about to pass out. But they was just kept running with him. Then they ended up picking him up. Then they went down the street, and I noticed they put him back down, and he was still wobbling and stuff. I don't know. All I know is they running and stuff from the scene. So car was stolen or something. I don't know. But why is y'all running? Y'all don't want no help? Anyway, so yeah, that's all that happened yesterday. But I'm about to go to the shop right now. I'm about to get my lashes done, and then I'm gonna get my nails done. Talking about my nails, I never showed y'all my nails before. So here's how my nails looked before. I just didn't vlog them, but they were so cute. So I'm basically just getting a refill and getting a different design. Since like the design is with shellac, I still like the color of the nude, so I'm gonna keep that. Then I still gotta pack, y'all, so I'm gonna pack at some point tonight. It's probably gonna be late. I'm probably gonna be up all night, and then early in the morning I'm gonna go to my aunt's because my aunt is coming on a trip too, and then I gotta do her hair in the morning. We're just gonna do her a little a V-part wig. And I might sound a little hoarse because we had the air and we had the fan on last night. And when I tell y'all, my voice is kind of gone. I might get some tea from Starbucks or something. Anyways, I'm gonna catch y'all at my lash appointment. Y'all see how I just said I'm getting my lashes done? Like, and I ain't saying nothing else about it. That's because I'm gonna really like try to keep these lashes in. Dolls already know how it is. When I get my lashes done, I like to pick them out, but I'm trying to be cute. I'm trying to get Puerto Rican, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be like cute with my lashes, and I don't want to have strips on this trip because I'm gonna be by the water. Where the water at, wherever the water at, that's where I'm gonna be. Okay, so Miss Strips not gonna cut it for me this time, okay?
I claps. I don't wanna tell you I'm dropping, but I know when I play your thing. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too out there. When you can get something, baby, you run out of time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space.
y'all. It's been a couple hours. So I got my nails done, hair done, everything did. It was for him.
No, it wasn't for me. Don't do that.
But I'm going out of town tomorrow, so might not be. I still love you though.
She ain't on that trip by herself.
I'm going with my mama and my aunt. We ain't on that. We just trying to chill, have the vibes, relax, get a little break. And yeah. Look at the nails though, y'all. They so cute and different. I'm about to eat at one of my favorite restaurants. Raw sushi. I already know what I'm getting, so.
What you getting?
Chicken and steak.
That shit nasty.
It is not.
You gonna
I'm
eat some
getting
sushi?
chicken, steak, and the rice.
Oh,
We
yeah.
can share the sushi roll because I don't eat all that.
We gotta get the right
It make my
one,
throat
though.
itch. Y'all, it's Wednesday. Today I'm going to the airport. Now I'm on the way to my aunt's house because I'm going to help her with her hair, and she wasn't able to get her nails done, so I have some press-ons that she could choose from that I used to sell on my site a while back. Yeah, I'm pretty much done with my maintenance. I really didn't get that much done because I'm always getting something done. Like, I didn't even get my toes done, y'all, because my toes still look good. Even my nails were still looking good, but I just wanted a different design. I got my suitcase back there. I ended up getting one yesterday. I just got my backpack and stuff because, you know, I got to carry all my technology. So this is the bag that I usually carry when I go out of town. You can't go wrong with a Jan Sport, honey, okay? And here's my personal item. I just stopped at Chick-fil-A to get some breakfast, y'all, because I was starving. I woke up at 2 o'clock. I promise you, I was up at 2 a.m. because I wanted to finish the vlog before this one so I could post it today. And I really didn't think I would have any time to, like, really just sit and, like, be focused and get it done. And I just kind of woke up randomly, so I got that video done. Then I finished packing because I didn't even finish packing yesterday. So yeah, so we got to get her together. Let me show y'all.
I can't go to Miami looking any kind of way.
Okay, period.
Okay.
But look at the nails.
Ooh la la.
She got 4 options to choose.
Because you know, ooh, that's gift giving. I'm gonna be poking everything.
The pink.
I'm thinking. Let me see. I'm pink. Let me see those little options.
These are just regular.
Oh, I think I'm gonna go with these.
Okay, so like I was telling y'all, this is a V-part wig.
Or too far up. Oh, it's the clip on. Okay, baby.
So you can take it off.
You want to get hot? I can just.
Yep.
Boop. And I hope it's not giving wiggy when they put together.
Just double and dabble a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, so conscious. When I kiss you, I get a spark. Your body a work of art. Horny thoughts after dark. Used to stay up late to just talk. We was moving fast, trying not to get caught. Damn, your skin so soft. Let me open up your heart, cause life too short till death do its part. Knew it from the start, you be the one I'm pushing carts with. In the supermarket, you know I love to start. Took you to my crib, eating ackee and some sawfish. Breakfast in the morning, making waffles and some sausage. Girl, you blow my mind like a Nintendo game cartridge. And when I'm not around, yeah, I think about you often. Sometimes I need my space, cause I don't like the force. Took you on vacation, had you swimming with the dolphins. Living in the barrel, now we got our own apartment. Used to be scared that some probably walk in like art. Planting flowers in your garden. I know y'all told you one day we'll be ballin'. Yeah, other girls, they be swarming. I'm just trying to make sure that you all in. So tell me if you want it. Yeah, tell me if you want this. Yeah, tell me if you want it. Tell me if you want this. Yeah, tell me if you want it. Yeah, tell me if you want this.
From prom dates to calm days to trips that last a lifetime, to being on and off, feel like we really trying to buy time. From sneaking round state to state, driving in them white lines, to sharing our own bed, sleeping with you at the nighttime. Roof over our heads, you the queen inside this kingdom. Cooking with you in the kitchen, our song come on, then we sing one. Back and forth like ping pong, I'm in love with your wisdom. I always told you soon, cause to those who wait, good things come. So come right here, let me spin you round. This feels sincere, love, yeah.
like a souvenir. I'll cherish you, yeah, I'll cherish you, yeah.
Under the chandelier, yeah. Girl, you shining through, yeah. Treat it like a world premiere. Playing in that role